So here's the piece of crap Chrysler Concorde, the Copart Concorde. Okay, now I'm sorry for disrespecting the car like this, but this car is actually an engineer flaw, and I stressed that enough in my last video when I introduced the car to you. This car is a pain in my you know. Okay, let's go jump in the car and show you what the problem is. Now you guys see the problem. Okay, to me that will say that the thermostat is open and that it's not closing so the car can heat up properly. I changed the thermostat. Here's the old thermostat right here. It is actually not bad. Okay, I'm gonna take it out the box and show it to you. Oh my god, trying to do stuff with one hand is like harder than you think. Here's the old thermostat right here in my hand. Okay, I don't know who that person was, just blew at me. I don't even know who he is. But here's the old thermostat right here. I tested it in hot water. See, it got rust on it now because I put it in water. I put it in hot water, so you see it got a little rust on it. But I tested it in the hot water, and it opens and closes perfectly fine. So with that being said, that lets me know that the thermostat is opening and closing. And plus, I just replaced it, and the check engine light still haven't went off. So that lets me know it's not the thermostat. So what we're going to replace today? Okay, I'm not going to throw that. I'm going to put it in my pocket. We're going to replace this right here. This right here is a coolant heater sensor. Okay, it tells the car how hot the coolant is, which multiply tell the car how hot the gauge should be, which multiply tell the car, the computer, that okay, everything's working properly. Okay, now this can cause that problem. If you're having the same problem, maybe it's this. Okay, we're gonna change this, and then we're gonna see what happens after that point. I hate this car. I truly hate this car, but we're gonna change it and see what it does from then. We're gonna see if this little thing can fix the piece of junk Chrysler Concorde, Copart Concorde. Let's get right into it. Now here's the engine bay of the Chrysler Concorde. Yeah, it is dirty. Okay, it is dirty. Okay, this is my work car. Let's be clear, this is my work car, and it is dirty. Okay, some things will say the coolant level might be low. I checked the coolant level. If I can get the cap off, it's perfectly fine. Okay, the coolant level is perfectly fine. So I flushed the system when I changed the thermostat, and the coolant level is perfectly fine. Also, you might want to change your coolant cap. I haven't did that yet. If this doesn't work, I will change the coolant cap, see if it got any seal broke in it, like it might not be sealing properly. So I'm going to change that also. Just it's not but a couple bucks. So I mean, yeah, whatever. Okay, now the coolant sensor is right up under here, if you can see it. It's right there, back there. Let's see, can I get it? Let's see, can I? Right there. That is the coolant sensor. We got to take some of the valve cover off to get to it. I don't want to take the whole valve cover off. I'll probably lose 2 bolts pried up in the front and take the valve cover off and remove it just like that. But that's the coolant sensor right there. So we have to get back there and get it and see if that changes anything. And this car is oily, so I'm going to cautiously wear gloves because I don't want to mess my hands up too bad. So let's get into the nightmare, okay? So let's catch up and see what we had to do, right? We got to take a bolt off on this side, right there. We got to take all these bolts off top right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I counted wrong. 3, yeah, 6, 7. Make sure you get that one. We loosen this bolt up right here. This one that goes right here. We loosen this bolt up right here. It's in the front. Take that off. And we got to take off the air intake right here. Right here, just to get to this same bolt on the other opposite side right there. This cracked a little bit when I took off the air. It's like a little hole. It cracked a little bit, but I mean, I don't know. I probably put like some whatchamacallit on it. So this cracked a little bit. So I'll probably just put some electric tape around it to seal it back up. I don't know what this is. Might as well go buy another one. I don't know. I gotta see what it is first and then see if I can buy another one. For right now, I'll probably just put electric tape around it, keep it together. But yes, what I did to get it out, I pried it up a little bit, set my hammer right there. This wires are a pain in my A. You had to disconnect this one. I left this one connected. It's not putting too much stress on it. It's okay. But that, I don't know how I'm gonna get a ratchet down there, man. I think it's a 1/2 inch socket on here. I don't know how I'm gonna get a ratchet in that tight space, man. Especially a 1/2 inch driver like this. I don't know, man. We're about to find out. Let's try to get the driver in, and then when I get it in, I'll let you guys know how I did it. I hate this car. I don't know who came up with this design. Oh, my wedding ring looks nice, by the way. I don't know who came up with this design, man, but I cannot get my ratchet on that, okay? You see how it's almost touching the block? I cannot get it. It is a 1/2 inch driver. It's not going in there. See that? Maybe if I had an extension that reach out to here, maybe I can get it in there. But not the way it is. I'm gonna have to go to the auto parts store, find something. I don't know, but God, I hate this car. I'm no auto mechanic person. Maybe it's a method to their madness. The reason why they put the cooler sensor right there. I know the upper radiator hose is right here. So maybe it's a method to their madness, but I don't know. I hate this car though. I really do. So this is what I had to do, you guys. I had to get go back to the auto parts store, get a small, a 3/8 driver, deep dish driver, 9mm socket, okay, 9mm socket, 3/8 driver, okay, socket, not a half, not this big half, okay, a small one, all right. I had to put a extension on it so it can clear the engine block to get it out. I hate this car, man. So we're gonna get it off, change it, and then put everything back together, and we'll see if that fixed anything, okay? Look at the old one. Jesus Christ, look at that's not naturally green, you know? That's supposed to be like that color. But it's so limestone and, oh my God. This is the new one. You can tell the difference. It's the same part. But look how the metal actually look on this one. There's so much limestone on it. Or so much lime on it. Or however you say it. I'm not no science teacher, no English teacher. I'm not a mechanic, okay? So if I get some words wrong, please bear with me, okay? Lime. Look at that though, YouTube. Look at that. You can even see. You can see where all the edges are messed up on this thing. And look at this one. So, yes, I think that was the problem. We're going to change them out. Maybe that changes anything. We don't know. We'll see. Let's change it out. Right about now. So, guys, I had to change the valve cover gaskets. Oh, my God. Tomorrow I got a story for you guys, man. It was terrible, okay? I changed the valve cover gaskets. Not the valve cover gasket. The intake manifold gasket. Sorry. And I put the stupid thing in there, and it's still doing the stupid same thing. So, this stupid car need to go the stupid back where it came from. I have a full story with y'all tomorrow. I am beat. It is nighttime, okay? So, I'm through with it. I'm done for the night. Screw you. So, do you think it fixed the problem in this, I'm gonna call it the Mercedes Chrysler, because it's all Mercedes engineers that was building these cars back in 2002. Do you think it really fixed it? No, it didn't. The temperature gauge will not get to temp. It stays right there. And if you drive it, okay, it might, if you're standing still, it might get to that notch right there. But if you drive it, it'll go all the way back down to this one. So we did all that work for nothing. So we changed the thermostat. Okay, check. We burped the system. Check. We changed the coolant sensor. Check. And we, what else we do? And for the heck of it, we changed the intake manifolds, gaskets, and the air intake gaskets, just for the heck of it, you know. And we still with this problem. Now the air, you hear this air? The air stays on; it doesn't cut off. That's for another video. That's for a whole nother video. Okay? In God we trust. But that's for a whole nother video, man. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. I guess I'm gonna end the video. Like, comment, subscribe, favorite. Thank all you guys for watching my videos. Continue to support me. Hopefully we can get this channel busting, okay? Yeah. Any ideas on what's wrong with the car? Feel free to let me know. Any of you Chrysler hands out there, feel free to let me know. I'm at the point where I just want to give up and just give the car away. I'm not selling it, just give it away to somebody that need it. Like I said, it's not a terrible car. It'll get you A to B, right? I don't know about C. But A to B, it'll get you there. But, I don't know. I'm closing the video out. Subscribe.